Good morning and welcome back to another Take Action Daily video. And these are quick videos, about 5 minutes, where I give you an action to do in your business to help progress things. And it's an action that will take you 5 or 10 minutes to implement and really help you move your design business forward. Now, today I am sharing something that is more of a personal or family organization system, and the reason why I think that this is appropriate is that I know that many of us are parents. We are trying to juggle our businesses alongside being parents, and anything that you can do to speed up time even in your personal and family life is going to help you find more time to work in your business. So I think the two are always intertwined, always strongly correlated. So anything where you can have productive systems for either your family juggle and how you manage your kids and your family life is going to definitely help you in business as well. So I hope this little tip helps you. Now, I think I've shared this calendar over on my Instagram stories, where I also do daily videos which are a bit more about productivity and family tips and health tips and those sorts of things. So if you have seen this before, I apologize, but hopefully that's not too many of you, and I hope that you find this really helpful. So basically what I'm sharing today is a family calendar that I produce for the boys, and I print this off and I stick it on I pin it to our family notice board. On the family notice boards where we have all the timetables and the artworks and the certificates and all the stuff the boys bring home from school and that we want to display. And so this is there, and the purpose of it is to help the boys to pack their school bags in the morning and know what they've got on for the day. This is not the current activity schedule. This is one from 2019. I don't particularly want to publish where my children are on the internet at all times. So this is one that is completely out of date, and this is from a couple of years ago. So yeah, just to make that clear. And basically each of the boys has their own system and their own routines, and they're obviously both quite busy, and so this just helps them to know where they have to be, what they have to pack in their school bags each day. So it helps them with a bit of independence. Boys need as much help as they can to get their school bags packed. Maybe girls do too. I don't know about raising girls, but I certainly know with boys you definitely need to give them all the helping hand they can get, and it just helps our mornings to run a little more smoothly. I try and encourage the boys to get their stuff ready the night before. Just get them in good habits of, getting organised for the next day and that sort of thing. That doesn't always happen. Most of the time it happens, but sometimes we are doing this in the morning. So it just helps them so that they don't forget stuff. They don't feel like they're going to get in trouble at school for anything or any of that type of thing. And, when their homework's due, and try to work backwards from getting their homework prepared and just get some of those good systems in place. Now, my eldest son's just started high school this year. He's trying, and we're encouraging him to try and be a bit more independent. I will be still doing one of these for him for this year, but I'm trying to help him to sort of use his school diary and be a bit more sort of independent with this. My other one's littler, so he still is working from this sort of thing. So we find this really helpful. It really helps the boys, and yeah, it just helps our family mornings run a little more smoothly. So a very quick tip, something you can implement. If the calendar looks useful, I've just done this in Word, turned it into a PDF. I print it off in colour and then just pin it up. As I said, you could do it in Excel, you could do it in all sorts of things. My husband and I have a different family diary on Google that we manage all of the family activities in a different way. This is just to help the boys stay organised, so it's purely for them. So ours is a little more detail and has a bit more few more of the activities and those sorts of things on it. This one's just purely for the boys. So if you are interested in the template, it's not very hard to create this table, but if you did want the template, I can probably clear one out and post it, so just let me know in the comments. And if you do have a better system or a different system of how you organise your kids and the sorts of things you do, or if you have a command centre or whatever, post a picture below, share it with us, because these are the sorts of things that make I personally love to see other people's organisation systems. I don't know about you. So if you have an awesome system, please share it with us. We can all benefit, including me, from it. So yeah, I just thought that would be helpful. Hopefully that's a bit of a tip. I know lots of us are getting our kids back to school over the last few weeks. It's been a bit of a thing in our house with the start of high school. It's a real thing. But yeah, I hope that's helpful. That's today's tip. Put one of these together. See if it helps your kids get a bit more organised. It definitely helps for us. I hope that's helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.